Wife just got home from work, so engine's nice and warm. She's fixing to go on a trip down to her folks for the weekend. Figured I'd go ahead and pull an oil sample. Haven't done one in her car for a while. She does a lot of short trips to work, only about 7 miles or so, 7-10 minutes, whatever it is, but real short trips to work. So this gets a lot of severe duty, what's considered severe use engine, short trips and that sort. Anyway, Amsoil has handy dandy oil sample pumps for you. If you don't want to get your hands all messy draining out of the bottom of the when you do your oil change, you can pull them anytime without draining oil. Kit, I get kit 06 is the kit that I always get. It's a non-postage paid for when you return it, so you gotta go down to the post office and pay the postage. But the postage paid kits, I don't know where they got their meter readings at for postage, but you can save about $3-4 by paying the postage yourself down at the post office instead of getting the postage paid kits. Kits will come with a return bag that gets sent back with your sample. Sample bottle. My fellow vets will know what that sample bottle looks like. And paperwork to fill out. Fill this out when we get inside. Fill out all your information about you, your address and everything so they can contact you. Engine type, gas or diesel, how much quantity your engine holds so they know how many quarts, for contamination wise. If you got a 12-quart system, not that it can necessarily handle more contamination, but it can definitely, you might be able to stretch out your changes a little bit longer because it can handle it and that much more volume for contamination to disperse through, vice a 5-quart system or something like that. Anyway, real simple, real easy. I'm going to flip the camera around here and try to show you some of the stuff while I'm doing it. But actually, let's go ahead and get the bottle screwed onto the pump here right quick. Well, it's got an actual, you can't see it in the video, but there's a fill line here. You don't want to fill it all the way up to the top, but pretty close for it. Okay. What we're going to do, pull the dipstick down here. That tube's going to go right into the dipstick hole. We'll see if we can get you see up here, but that, like I said, goes right down to where the dipstick went. Stick it down till you feel, make sure it's down deep enough into your oil. You don't have to worry about it hitting nothing. It's just like your dipstick going down there. And just start creating a vacuum. Sucking that oil up. Can y'all see that? There it comes filling up. Be easy on the pump. I've pumped too fast. Of course, you got that suction going. It'll keep drawing itself up. You get going too fast, you end up overfilling. There we are, getting full. Once you get to fill where you want it to be, go ahead and pull it out. That'll break that suction. Good to go. Go ahead and take this guy off. Put the lid on so we don't spill it. Good to go. We'll take that thing inside, fill out the paperwork, get it in the mail. I'm spraying oil everywhere now. But nice and simple. Catch you later.